Triple threat.
What's up? Come on, come in. Come on, Andrew. Yes! Yes! You have to hit him in the red spot. You have to shoot him where the red spot says. See the spots? You have to shoot all of them.
Okay.
Shoot him. No! You dead? Get the flashlight! You got the flashlight! Flashlight, the tail in! Flashlight! Yeah! Come on, baby! Do you die with Slay James? Whoa! Oh, shock! Don't shock your drivers! Come on. Let's go play.
Cut talaw mo eh.